In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript in Elementor. So in order to do that, we first need to head over and then log in into our actual Elementor. So this Elementor can actually be hosted using WordPress or WooCommerce. So on my case, let me head over and log in into Elementor and then head over to WordPress.com as well and then log in into your account there. If you do not have an account yet, you can head over and click on the Get Started option right here and install the Elementor plugin into the WordPress marketplace. Now this is what my dashboard looks like. So in order to add a JavaScript on your Elementor, you just need to edit a particular page on your Elementor. So head over right here to this pages, and you can see in here all of the pages that you currently have. I have in here this Elementor 42, so you can actually edit other pages that not open in Elementor. So on my case, I'll choose this one and click onto this edit with Elementor option. Let me head over and open that. Now this is what it looks like right now. So into this, you just need to head over to the widgets option and then add the HTML widget. You can scroll down and find it right here, but if you can't find it, you can also search in here for that. Just search in here for HTML, scroll down, and then just drag it right here and you can find that into this part right there. So you can just input the particular HTML code that you wish to add. So you can insert the JavaScript code and paste it inside this widget. So I have in here this code, and then you can see in here this hello from Elementor. That is what it will look like once someone has actually accessed this particular website. So for this one, just you can publish it, save it, and then save this particular draft if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.